Here we are guys in Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every day we started here by Bitcoin in daily, and I'm going to show you the trades I got open as every day guys. I'm going to show you liquidity, heat map and fair and greed index as you see them here, plus Bitcoin dominance here, SP 500 in 4 hours, the VEX, the Bitcoin in 4 hours, the Ethereum in 4 hours, the Sol in 4 hours, the XRP in 4 hours, and the last one, the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. So make sure to watch that video from the start till the end guys without skipping any part of it. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You see the one here, see member option, you need to click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers we got here. We got the position, that one is it for long term guys, either without leverage just spot or with very little leverage like x1 x2 till x3. You can join that one. We got the VIP member, you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services, and the elite member, you're going to get cryptocurrency plus stock. So you choose which one you want. Read the description of each and every one of them. If you haven't understand something and you want to ask me before you join, you can text me in the free Telegram or free Discord. The link of them are down in the description of that video. When you decide which one you want to join, you click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here or free Telegram and free Discord, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Now let me show you the trades I got for today guys. Trades I got open for today guys. I got that long Bitcoin here. That one is it as position guys. As you see, that one internet from 107k. Look where we are now. The Bitcoin now we reached to 112k. We got that Ethereum. That one is it swing trading. We got the XRP. We got the Doge, and we got even Litecoin guys. Let me show it to you. There it is, even here, that the Litecoin one, as you see it here. So even you can join us and benefiting from those type of signals. If you are interested, as I told you, the link of our Patreon is it down. And believe me, my friend, you're going to learn from professional people how they're dealing with that mad market. So if you are interested, I told you the link is it down. Here we are guys in Bitcoin here in daily. You remember as we told you it's breaking here the downtrend here, and Bitcoin here it's showing to us maybe it's going to pump. It gives us here now an indecision candle guys, and that indecision candle it happened here in a very stronger zone as you see it. That zone here guys, that one is a very stronger zone. The indecision candle happened here, so I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin from here dumping again. Let's see the coming hours what's going to happen here. Either we're going to dump from here, that number one scenario. Second scenario, the Bitcoin to give you here like a big double bottom when we reach to smaller time frames. I'm going to show it to you guys. But the Bitcoin for smaller picture here, it's still going above. Also we show you we got here that up channel like that. We showed it to you in yesterday guys. That one here, we told you guys we got here an up channel like that. And we told you the Bitcoin is going back to touch the top here. So let's wait and see. Also we show you in the last Friday guys, what else we show you here. We show you that 2 zones here, or that 2 levels here. We said 105k and 124k, and we said that the range of Bitcoin, and that's what happened exactly guys. That way also we're telling you to join us, but it's up to you my friend. You find 25 bucks expensive or something, it's up to you. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map, crypto fair and greed index. So let's go in there to see it. There we are guys, that the crypto fair and greed index as you see it for today. Look at it in front of you. Crypto fair and greed index today is 51. That's my neutral, no bulls, no bears. Let's wait till the volume enter. Also we've been discussing that today. People are still in holiday, they haven't entered again. So let's wait in the coming hours. Now let me show you liquidity heat map that's going to decide for you to enter short or to go long guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are guys in the liquidity heat map. Yes, we got some stop losses above here, but majority of the stops are down here. So what is it the view? The market is going to dump guys to liquidate those stop losses down here. So you need to be careful guys. There is a correction going to happen down, but will not be that much, just 110k or something like that. Then from there we're going to pump again, because that's what happened those days. Market makers, they targeting those liquidity, but for us to see the bigger picture, we go from 24 hours to weekly. Let me show it to you. Here in the weekly, guys, we still have some stop losses above here. That man market is still going above till that zone here, 114 or something. But after it's going to fall down again to 105 or 107k, guys. So that the view is it in front of you. We don't have a lot here, but from here we're going to touch 114k. Then from there we're going to dump, guys, to that zone here, 105k. So remember that now we are at 111 till 112. We're going to pump again to touch here 114. Then from 114 we're going to fall down again to liquidate those ones. They are at 105 till 106k, guys. I think I explained everything. I give you the map, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin dominance, what it's doing today. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin dominance here. As you see it in front of you, what it's telling us. It's telling a lot of things. It came back till that zone here and couldn't break it. We got here that down channel with red, guys, as you see it. So now we need to focus about that uptrend here, that one. If it's getting broke here, try to catch a short and go with it till the low of that down channel, guys. Which down channel, how else we get it? That's another story. You need to draw it in daily, but let me show it to you for you to understand. You see it here. We started from that one, and that one. And the view of it, guys. The USDT dominance going to fall down to touch the low here. That, man, maybe we're going to see altcoin session, because if you're looking here, USDT dominance, it's still falling down, guys. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. Now it's going to see the SP500 what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the SP500, guys. The SP500 doing exactly like how we told you. I told you, I buy the SP500 8F VOO. You can even buy SPY. Also, we buy in VOO because low fees. That's why also we buy it. That for long term, of course. We buy it from that low here because the SP500 touch for us a very stronger zone. That's why also we buy it. Now, what is it the view, guys? Me, my view personally, I'm still thinking either the SP500 going to give us a new all-time high, guys, because a lot of things are telling us that. So let's wait and see if it's going to pump more. That number one scenario. Second scenario for that one, if it fall down again and break in here, maybe we can catch a short or we sell. Why me? I'm still bullish in the SP500. Let me show you why, guys. I'm still bullish in the SP500 because the VEX, guys, as you see, it's 16.35. It touch here 20. That's when us we buy. Now it's at 16.35. Let's see if it's going to dump to touch 12 or it's going to go back again to 20. So also we are ready for everything. Our scenarios also waiting for it. No matter what happened, guys, that's what us we doing and that's our job. That's why us we telling you every time if you want to invest like pro people how they do it, you can join us and believe me, my friend, you will not regret. Now we're going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. You see here that zone, that one here, the Bitcoin it touched it here and he couldn't break it, guys, as you see it here. Now it's showing to us maybe it's going to dump from here. Now let's see what's going to happen here in the coming hours, taking off that line here. Also we've been waiting the downtrend here. We show it to you, even that one before is getting broke here. That way also we enter that long. Actually me I enter from low here. That's another story. That way me I enter. Now I take enough profit, guys. I'm talking here about position, guys. Position I sell what I invest. Like you invest a certain amount of money to reach in here. You sell what it value, what you invest, and the profit you let it to run. That way also use it instead of day say. It's like day say, but with the same amount, guys. Now if it dump again, I'm still have my capital free, so I'm going to buy again. If it go back above, I'm going to sell. Same thing, that was also we doing. Even that one is another story. Now what is it the view here? We got here either that one here, look at it, guys. That one here is a big double bottom here. If it's getting broke here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping again and maybe going back to 124k. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, we're going to show it to you when we're reaching to lower time frames, but here you can show you something about it. We got here an uptrend like that. You need to focus about it. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. You see with me here, if you're looking here at the Bitcoin, look at it, guys. It touched here the 100 moving average and I couldn't break it here. But the good news here, the 20 moving average, it crossed above the 50, guys, and that indicating maybe the market going to pump. Let's see what's going to happen here. Me, I'm still thinking we are just going to come to touch here that 200 moving average. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. Either we're going to dump again or the market going to break that 200 moving average and to pump more higher. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, look at it here. Is it now in a zone where is the bulls, the controlling? Look at it here. That's indicating the market is going to go more higher. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. It might to make a correction to touch here that zone, then after to pump. Even that one, it's possible. And also if it's making that correction, we're going to catch it by day trading, because those days we go back to give day trading signals. If you are interested, of course. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. You remember we told you it touched here the 200 moving average. Now it came back to touch the 100 moving average here. So what we got here in the Ethereum, we need to take it off those moving averages like that, guys, for us to see what we got here. Now the Ethereum, guys, you see it here, either going to give you here, let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things, what I'm talking about here. You see with me here, guys, either the Ethereum going to give us here that bigger double bottom here, or W, guys, as you see it here, and that very bullish sign indicating the Ethereum going to pump from here. Let's wait and see if it's going to break it, because the downtrend, as we used to show you here, is getting broke, guys. You see it here, the downtrend is getting broke. That for long, guys. For short, what you can do for short, same uptrend, that one, we still have it. It need to be broke. That man, the Ethereum to break for us the 200 moving average, for us to know the Ethereum going to dump more low, guys. Even that one, it's possible. So we are ready for all scenarios. For long, I show you, and for short, I show you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's enter here to a zone where is the bulls, the control. Let's see if it's going to pump more. The good news here, what is it, guys? The divergence downtrend here is getting broke, guys, and that's very good news here. Let's see if that Ethereum going to pump again. Even that one is good news here. The only thing, the Ethereum, the first enemy of it is the CEO of Ethereum. I don't know his name. That one is the #1 enemy of that Ethereum, guys. So you need to be careful exactly if you invest in Ethereum for long term. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, same thing. Always it came to that zone here. Then it's showing to us maybe it's going to dump. Also it give us here an entry long, but also we said not from here. We need to wait a correction for us to catch that long. Now what else we doing, guys? Also we show you here before. You remember what me show you here in the Sol? And now a lot of you, they said, why you repeating those things? For you to understand, my friend, and even for those ones that just came now, to understand what else we're talking about. I show you that one here, and I told you the Sol going to come to touch the top of it here, 224. So let's see if that Sol going to do that, or from that zone like how it happened before, because that one here is all-time high, guys. But the good news here, look at it, it's been touched a lot of time. First, second, third, and that one here, the fourth. Let's see if it's going to hold now, or it's going to fall down again. Even that one, it's possible. For long, we still have here that uptrend. When it's being touched, try to catch along. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's telling us we are in a bullish trend here. The only things you need to focus about the divergence downtrend here. You see it, guys, here. That one you need to focus about it. You see it here, that a bearish divergence in the Sol. Let's see if that Sol going to come to touch that 224, then from there to dump again. Even that one, it's possible, and also we're ready for everything. Now let's going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP also we enter in it along, and I'll show you why. I give you that downtrend here, but also we haven't entered from there. Also we enter from here exactly. Now what is it the view? We need to see that XRP if is going to pump from here more higher. That #1 scenario. Second scenario is just going to come to touch that downtrend here exactly at that zone here, 2.85 or 2.90 exactly here. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. If is it from here going to dump again, or is going to break it and to pump more, guys. So we are ready for everything. Me personally, the XRP thinking is going to pump again, like me I show you before. Is going to do like how it happened here. Same thing going to happen here. Only thing you need to focus it with me when it's happened here in that zone here, guys, as you see it. The volume, it used to be bigger there. Over here, we don't have a huge volume. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in a zone where is only no one controlling there. What shall we do now? Because the divergence downtrend here, you see it, guys. I know it will refuse to draw now, but look at it here. You see it, guys? That the divergence downtrend here, you see it, is getting broke here. That's indicating maybe the XRP going to pump again to touch for us extreme overbought area. We got another price action here. Let's see if that XRP going to give us here a head and shoulder, something like that, indicating maybe the XRP going to pump. For short, also we know how to catch it, guys. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. The Bitcoin here, all still now, we haven't entered it, but now here, look at it. We got here an uptrend, guys. You see that uptrend here, I would draw it or no? Now that uptrend, let me zoom it a little bit for you to understand what I'm talking about. Look with me here. You came to the tail of the candle here, and you do like that, guys. That uptrend here, you waited. If it's getting broke like that, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping again, maybe to 107 till 106k, like how I show you in the liquidity heatmap in the start of the video. If you haven't seen it, go back and see it. That for short, guys. For long now, we got here like a small pennant like that. You see it, guys, that one here, and that one you waited. If it's getting broke above here, you can go more long with it. So me now, I'll show you for short and I'll show you for long. So you need to do those things in your chart and try to catch a trade on them. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, same thing, guys. Always history is repeating itself. Look at it here. It fall down, he touched that zone here. Then it pump. Now it fall down, he touches here. Let's hope if is it going to pump, and I'll show you how to catch it, guys. I told you here a smaller downtrend here. If it's getting broke, try to catch along, my friend, and don't look behind you. Bitcoin is going to go more higher till 114k. For short, I told you focus about that uptrend here, that one here. Focus about it if it's going to be broke for you to enter a short, but the most important focus if it's going to enter to a zone where is the bears the control, because if you're looking with me here, it's staying only in a bullish market, guys. I think I explained everything. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.